And welcome to episode 2 of this 3 or 4 part series on this one specific awesome truck Bristol race. And we're about to go racing. And if you haven't yet, like, subscribe, and maybe comment on the video what you want to see next.
Dang it, I'm an idiot.
How'd that technique work out?
I'm gonna be going low on the front stretch. I got hit.
As you can tell, I am furious because I jumped the start. And so I had to come in and serve a penalty. So that's really sucks.
Sure, we'll get a caution in a minute.
As the guy says, the 19 goes spinning.
I'm gonna be like 2 laps down. Because this pit road's so long.
Hopefully you get a couple lucky dogs and be alright.
Guys, when there's a caution out and you've wrecked, stay stopped until the field goes by. Like, I just got a 4X because somebody wants to turn around. Like, come on.
Hey, 18, if you want to stop, brother, I'll stop with you. But this guy's still.
Yes, thank you guys for stopping.
Are you fucking kidding me, 7? 7, like, what are you doing, dude?
Leaders, thank you for stopping, because I was gonna go 2 laps down now.
Oh my god, people are freaking idiots. I've got 8X because the 2 people don't know how to drive. Under caution. God.
Yeah, I dealt with that yesterday, bro. It's stupid.
The 7 just ran me in the ass end, and the guy that was spun out on the backstretch ran into me.
Definitely put a ding in the safety rating.
Sorry, 9. It was telling me to catch you, then pass, and it was all confused. Keith, I'm sorry, not 9. Keith, I'm sorry.
You talking to me?
Yeah, I said I'm sorry. It was telling me to let you by, then it was telling me to pass you. Our racing was a little confused.
Yeah, that happens from time to time. No biggie.
This is gonna be a long race.
I just didn't want you to think I was just messing around.
Nah, he was messing around. No one for you. This guy's much better.
I just got my fastest lap under caution because I had to pit.
And I'm trying to figure out why the 3's bumping me now.
Come on guys, let's get more tightened up.
22 left 3.
Half this fucking field can't drive.
3, why do you keep wrecking? Why you bumping me, dude? Like, I didn't fucking touch you, dude. Now you're about to get wrecked, 3, seriously. Like, I'm about to put you in the wall, dude. Like, I never once touched you. I don't know why you keep wrecking me.
I got through, let's go.
I've never had any beef with you, 3. I don't know what the hell your problem is, and you ain't got no damn mic. Quit saying my bad.
I thought he was saying he was from Myrtle Beach. Damn.
Freaking in the fucking pit lane. And I got 12X because you idiots on...
He said Milton Bradley.
Lucky dog outside, lucky dog outside, lucky dog outside.
Some Myrtle Beach kind of activity right there. Welcome to Dirty Myrtle! I almost said Dirtle Myrtle. Hub of the former Hooters airline. I wish I made that up. True story. Retired airline pilot here, I know.
Dude, pay attention. You've wrecked into everybody on the track.
Not me, but don't make that a goal.
He hasn't wrecked into me.
Keep your head down and shut up. That's all I gotta.
It must be on an Xbox controller or something.
Now we are back on to the lead lap. Yes, we are about pretty much tail end of the lead lap, but still, I'm back to on the lead lap after a horrible first couple of laps.
Tony, you love stirring the pot, don't you? Sorry. Yes. He's just on one of those like baby bounce things with a steering wheel. Michael, I almost ate your rearing up in that last crash, man. I don't know how I missed you.
I'd like to thank you for not eating me up, dude. I thought you were going to absolutely obliterate me.
And then 22, you can't apologize, man.
I think he's long gone.
I made it around you, and then the other truck almost hit him, and it ended up not hitting anybody. I couldn't believe it.
Oh, I hit the 22. I got another 4X. I got another 4X from the 3.
7-5, can we please get closer to the field?
Yeah, he likes to play games.
What?
He likes playing games.
Of course he does.
I can almost say this isn't going to end well.
And I'm just trying to be at least remotely close to the next car in front of me.
Just to let you guys know who are watching, I didn't get single into which was insane for a first.
Sorry, Mike, they were wrecking up.
Oh, I missed another wreck.
Almost 3 laps. Maybe on the next round of tracks, they should probably just skip this one. Borough too.
I got loose, but I didn't wreck. That's why I kept my position.
The only reason they have this for season 4 is because it's on the truck schedule.
It's even more ridiculous on dirt.
Yeah, but it's actually a little fun. Once you get in a rhythm.
I knew somebody was going to say something like, well, I actually like it on the dirt. Can't drive it on pavement, but like the dirt.
Well, I'm fine with pavement and dirt. Like, I think I'm only good at dirt with NASCARs.
Well, it's like the track suits dirt well.
Like, I'm not good at dirt street stocks, dirt legends are okay. Sprint cars, I don't have any late models or modified. NASCARs are like my best dirt stuff.
There's about 20 guys in here, and I know a handful of you guys are married and whatnot. And you know, statistics say at least one of y'all's marriages is failing, or she's cheating on you. Is your bitch in good hands?
Allstate, is your bitch in good hands?
My marriage is strong. She bought this race car for me and loves it when I'm up down here racing in the garage and not in her way.
Hey, well, that knocks down one of them, guys. So, there's one gone.
We got about $100,000 in this race car, and she had everything to do with it, actually.
You see, if your marriage is failing, like a good neighbor, State Farm's there.
Yeah, same with Progressive.
It's Jake from State Farm.
Hey, if your marriage is failing also, kids fix everything. Just have more kids.
Actually, I'm pretty sure they don't. Because it's me and 3 siblings, and my parents got a deal with us.
How old are you, Jonah?
I ain't telling. Old enough to be on here.
Jonah's like 15 and he's single.
Can't you be like 6 and be on here?
The age limit's 13, but honestly, if you can at least drive a car on here, it doesn't matter. I can guarantee there's gotta be a 5-year-old that's driving on here. Making YouTube videos.
I think like Brexton Bush is like 8 and he's on here.
7, I'm not trying to race, so I don't want to get you black flag, but
Yeah, Brexton, Bush, Keelan Harvick, all NASCAR drivers' kids. They probably get special privileges for iRacing.
I see by a couple 10-year-olds on that.
I'm just gonna say I started under the age limit.
Now, we can tell, dude.
14, you're blank.
Oh, my mic's just not good too. So it sounds like I'm squeaking even though I'm not.
don't hit me. Don't hit me, dude. What are you guys doing? From all you guys crashing, I got a 2.5 second option.
Matthew is getting too far away from me.
In one.
I'm currently and that's gonna have to end it for episode 2 of this amazing race. Now, again, if you haven't, click the subscribe button, like this video, whatever. And see you in the next part.